So now as this course starts to wind down, we get to topic 10, which deals with international economics. And so basically now, after a very United States-centric discussion of macroeconomics, we now start to globalize it a bit. And the way that we globalize it is by talking about how the unemployment rates are different around the world. Well, why is that the case? That the inflation rates are different around the world. Why is that the case? And that the growth rates around the world are different. Why is that the case? Why are some countries rich and why are some countries poor? A very simple question, yet it's a very fundamental question. It's actually the question that started Adam Smith for when he wrote The Wealth of Nations. Why were some countries like England rich and why was Portugal at the time very poor? That's really kind of what's motivating the discussion in this topic. It turns out that there's lots of reasons. If you take intermediate macroeconomic theory, you'll learn that a lot of it comes from capital investment. But there's also other simpler things like the amount of resources, demographic differences, what are the policies within the country, what are the politics within that country, what's the stability within that country. All these kinds of things contribute to different unemployment rates, different inflation rates, and different growth rates. And then this chapter basically concludes by looking at trade policies in developed countries and in developing countries.